how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to claim ownership of a Facebook page. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to claim ownership of a Facebook page, you have to follow these steps. First, search for Facebook Business Manager on your browser and open the first link that appears. Over here, you have to click on Settings. Then click on Business Assets. After that, click on Pages. Then tap on Add Assets. Then tap on Facebook page. After that, you have to select second option that says Claim an existing Facebook page. Then just paste the URL of the page that you want to claim and click on Next. Then mark the tick for terms and conditions and click on Claim page. At last, click on Done. So that's basically how you can claim ownership of a Facebook page. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.